1 minus 9 in parentheses, then 1 minus 9, okay, which equals how much? Are you ready to solve this problem? Okay, thank you. Let's restart it. So 1 minus 9, which equals negative 8. Here is 1 minus 9 is the parenthesis here, which equals negative 8, okay. Then negative 8 times negative 8, which equals 64. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay? The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one parenthesis here, and one multiplication here, and one subtraction, okay? Inside the parenthesis, there is subtraction. So first we have to do this parenthesis according to PEMDAS. Next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 1 minus 9, which equals negative 8. Then here 1 minus 9, then times negative 8. In this expression, there is one subtraction here and one multiplication, okay? According to PEMDAS, this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction, okay? Therefore, 9 times negative 8, which equals negative 72, okay? Then here 1 minus negative 72. So 1 minus negative 72 is negative times negative, which is positive, therefore 1 plus 72. 1 plus 72 is just 73, okay? Therefore, this is the correct answer of this problem. The correct answer of this problem equals to 73. Step and do the correct answer of this expression, okay? 1 minus 8 inside the parenthesis, 1 minus 8, which equals how much? So please do the correct answer of this expression and write your answer on the comment section, okay? Write your answer on the comment section. I am waiting there. Thank you.